Well, today I'm going to put in a voltmeter. I'm going to show you how I did it. Well, we got it out of the package, and in the back this is where the light will go, and this part here, which is missing a bolt because this has been sitting in the garage for years. You see there's a black part and a red and positive part on the back. I don't see it. Okay, I see it. There's the black part, and that is for the positive, so we know how that goes. Now this is a 1980 truck. First thing we're going to do is check the condition of the battery, and that's because the guy who told me that the alternator light came on, maybe the battery's bad. So it's up there where it says not bad, and we do this and it goes down to weak. So we know maybe the battery ain't that good. He said one of the cells didn't have water in it. Now we're going to start it up, see what happens. So we start it up and the alternator light is on, which is not a good sign. We step the gas and it goes off. So let's go out and test the battery. So we're out here on the battery and we're looking, and it's charging up here to 15 volts. So the alternator right there seems like it's charging, but that's one of the reasons we're putting a voltmeter on, to see what's going on. So what I'm going to do is, because I got 3 of them, I'm going to place it right in there, and then I'll hook it up when I'm all done. Now I got my little, on the red side here, I'm just going to get my red wire. I'm just getting my red wire, and I'm skinning it because I don't have the right tools, but I'm in a hurry. Shove that in there like that, and then we're going to crimp it. Put my crimpers here. Good enough. Good enough. Now I looked at the directions. This has to go on first. We put the, see, I got the positive, I put a magic marker there. The positive's going to go on there, like that. And we're going to test it before I put it in. That's why I'm doing it this way. Real simple test. And then the black wire, which is the ground, goes on the negative side. And now we're going to go out to the battery and test it. Okay, I'm putting my meter out here, and here's the battery. Put it on negative, put it on the positive, and it's reading a little over 11 volts, so I know it's working. I'm going to be installing it in my cluster, just like that, exactly the same way that I took it apart. Now this is a little hard to do, but I'm underneath, and I put in my black wire and my red wire, and this part here is securing it to my cluster. So now the black wire, I'm going to go take it and put it through the frame, because maybe I came out of the firewall and I came in and connected it up into here, which actually leads into my battery cable. So I know that's going to be good and solid. This is a bit hard to explain, but I'm underneath of my fuse box, and there is an accessories one here, right there. And the light goes on, see it? Then it goes on at this side. See it, where I pulled that out? Now I pull that fuse out, if I can get in there. On this side it's hot when I turn my ignition switch on, you see it? It's going to send the power over to there. So I'm going to put my red wire on that side of the fuse. Okay, that's my whole hillbilly trip. I put that red wire on the other side of the fuse. So now I go to start the truck. There we go. So running at 15 volts. It tells me My alternator is good. Well, I'll finish the video by telling you what happened. This is my 1980 truck. What I did was I put water in the battery, the light still stayed on. So I changed the post, put a different battery in, the light still stayed on. Then I went and I got another alternator off an 82 Chevy that I owned. And I put that on and the light went out. So then what I did was I just took the old alternator down to AutoZone. And those guys put it on the machine and they tested it and they said it was fine. I said for $45, just give me a brand new alternator. And I put it in, the light went out, it works fine, it's charging. The only thing I didn't show you is my little hillbilly trick of taking that wire and putting a fuse up against it and then shoving it in. So I have a fusible link. So thanks for watching. The next video is going to be about how I actually changed the alternator.